ሄሎ ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? ሽብሩ ተጫነኝ ከሽብሩ ተጫ ኦፊሻል ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ዛሬ ሁለት ኢንትራንስ ኬሚስትሪ ጥያቄዎች ከአቶሚክ ስትራክቸር እና ከፔሪዮዲክ ቴብል የወጡ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን። ቀጥታ ወደ ቪዲዮ እንሂድ። Question number 1. Which of the following Dalton atomic theory is disproved by the modern atomic theory? ይላል። አሁን ክላስ ስትማሩ ዳልተን አቶሚክ ቲዮሪ ለብቻ ተምራችኋል። ሞደርን አቶሚክ ቲዮሪ ለብቻ ተምራችኋል። እኛው ዳልተን አቶሚክ ቲዮሪ ሞደርን አቶሚክ ቲዮሪ ዲቨሎፕድ ሳይሆን ነው በጆን ዳልተን ዲቨሎፕድ የሆነ። ከዛ ሞደርን አቶሚክ ቲዮሪ ሲመጣ ደግሞ ከዳልተን አቶሚክ ቲዮሪ ሁለት ፖስቱሌቶችን ዲስፕሩቭ አድርጓል። ይሄ ነው ጥያቄ የሚጠይቀው። Option A, all atoms of the same element are identical and have the same mass. Option B, atoms of different elements have different mass and size. Option C, elements are made up of small particles called atoms. Option D, atoms combine in small whole numbers to form compounds. አሁን እቺን ጥያቄ ለመስራት ሶስት ዋና ነገሮችን ማወቅ አለብን። To answer this question, we have to know three main points. Number 1, Dalton atomic theory postulate በደንብ ማወቅ አለብን። ሁለተኛ ሞደርን አቶሚክ ቲዮሪ postulate በደንብ ማወቅ አለብን። ሶስተኛ ደግሞ Dalton atomic postulate which are disproved by modern atomic theory በደንብ ማወቅ አለብን። ከዛ እቺን መጀመሪያ ካወን ሁለተኛ ላይ ይሄንን ካወን ሶስተኛ ላይ ደግሞ Dalton atomic postulates which are disproved by modern atomic theory ካወን እቺን ጥያቄ በቀላሉ መመለስ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። አሁን those are Dalton atomic theory. Elements are made up of small particles called atoms. Atoms can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, especially in ordinary chemical reaction. ሶስተኛ ላይ ያለው all atoms of the same element are identical and have the same mass and size. አራተኛ ላይ ያለው ደግሞ atom of different element different masses and size ይላል። አምስተኛ ላይ ያለው ደግሞ atoms combine in small whole numbers to form compounds ይላል። ስድስተኛ ላይ ያለው ደግሞ atoms are indivisible and indestructible ይላል። those are Dalton atomic theory postulate. ቀጣይ ያለው ደግሞ ምንድነው የምናየው? ሞደርን አቶሚክ ቲዮሪ ነው የምናየው። Elements are made up of small particles called atoms. Atoms cannot be created nor destroyed during ordinary chemical reactions. ሶስተኛ ላይ all atoms of the same element have the same atomic number but they may vary in mass number due to the presence of isotopes. ሶስተኛ ላይ atoms of different elements are different. Atoms combine in small whole numbers to form compounds. And atoms are divisible, which means atoms can be subdivided into electrons, protons, and neutrons. From Dalton atomic theory postulate, the one which is disproved by modern atomic theory are እነዚህ ሁለቱ ነው that disproved. አንደኛ ላይ all atoms of the same element are identical and have the same mass የሚለው ይሄኛው ሶስተኛ ላይ ያለው postulate is disproved by modern atomic theory. ቀጣይ ያለው ደግሞ ስድስተኛ ላይ ያለው ደግሞ atoms are indivisible or indestructible የሚለው is also disproved by modern atomic theory. ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሶስቱን ፖይንቶች አይደንቲፋይ ካደረግን በኋላ ወደ ጥያቄው እንሂድ። ስለዚህ ጥያቄው ምንድነው የሚሆነው? Which of the following postulate of Dalton atomic theory is disproved by the modern atomic theory ይላል። ስለዚህ all atoms of the same element are identical and have the same mass. እቺኛው have the same mass and identical የምትለው disproved by the modern atomic theory because of the presence of isotope. So the correct answer is option A. ከዚህ ጋር related የሆነ አንድ ጥያቄ እንጨምር። Question number 2. Which of the following is not the postulate of modern atomic theory ይላል። አሁን ይሄ ማለት is not postulate of atomic theory ማለት የደልተን የሆነ atomic theory ማለት ነው። የጠየቀ ያለው ይሄ ነው። So atoms atom of different element have different chemical properties. ትክክል ነው። Atoms of different element have different chemical properties. Okay. The same element have identical chemical property. ትክክል ነው። This is a modern atomic theory postulate. Option N, option B ላይ ያለው ሁለቱ ዛር postulate of modern atomic theory. ሶስተኛ ላይ ያለው atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Option D ላይ ያለው ደግሞ atoms are the smallest particle of elements. So this is postulate of modern atomic theory. This is postulate of modern atomic theory. This is also the postulate of modern atomic theory. So atoms are indivisible. This is a postulate of delta. But in modern atomic theory, atoms are divisible to electrons, protons, and neutrons. So the correct answer is option C. Thank you very much.